Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add restriction on download manager category page in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are using download manager plugin. On left side you see downloads and then you see category, so click on it. Now category page open. Now you see multiple categories, so click on edit. Now edit category open, scroll down, you see multiple options and then you see access and then you see message. Select the roles who should have access to the packages under this category. Now you see multiple roles: all visitor, contributor, administrator, author, subscriber. So you can enable, disable according to requirement. So this category only accessed by give WP manager administrator and then click on update. So you can select option according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.